there, I'm Haley from the Halton Hills Public Library, and I'm going to show you today how to make a Baby Yoda bookmark. So what you're going to need is a green piece of paper. It's got some ears I'm going to cut out, and also a square. My square is 6 inches on each side, but if you want your bookmark to be smaller or larger, you could always make it different as well. And then I've got a little brown robe we're going to attach to the bookmark. And other than that, you just need a black marker and a pair of scissors and a glue stick. To start off, cut out your square and other pieces. You can put the other pieces aside for now because we're going to start off with just folding our square. So first thing you want to do is fold it into a triangle. Then we're going to take each corner and fold that up just to the top of the triangle. Okay, now that we've made those creases, we're actually going to unfold each side. And then we're going to pick up just the top sheet and fold that down. Okay, and the very last fold we're going to make is just tuck each of these pieces inside here. It's a bit easier because we already made those creases. Okay, and now all that's left is to decorate him. So we're gonna glue on his robe first. That just kind of goes in the bottom here. And then we're gonna glue on his ears. And those just get attached on the back here. All right, and the very last thing is we're just going to give Yoda some eyes. Okay, and now you have your very own Baby Yoda bookmark. And if you happen to have a book with you, you just open it up like a pocket and you slide it onto whatever page you're on. Okay, that's everything. So thank you so much for joining me.